try around back.
Let's not stay too long.
We need to stay for at least an hour. Grandma.
Hi, mijitos. How are you, mijitos? Hi, mijita. How are you, mijita? Your daddy never comes to visit me no more. Hi.
What you doing?
Oh, nothing. Hi, mija. How are you, mija?
Fine, how are you?
Good. Oh,
Oh,
she's got the hiccups.
she gets the hiccups when she has a wet diaper.
Puro pedo, puro. I'll fix it.
What are you doing?
Un pedacito de hilo colorado, and her hiccups will be gone.
What?
Yes,
I think I've heard that.
That's nonsense.
it works. I did it for you while you were growing up. It's part of your culture. Accept it.
Okay.
¿Quieres otro chingazo?
No, sorry.